My name is Matthew Maddox with the Maddox Law Firm. I'm going to talk to you today about the 5 things that you need to know in order to avoid a DWI arrest in Connecticut. And the first one may seem very simple, but I have to tell you, just not even a single drink and drive. Don't drink even a single drink and then drive. We underestimate alcohol content, we underestimate chemistry and how we react to that chemistry. So if you've had a single drink, then designate a driver, take Uber, take Lyft, don't drive, and you can avoid all the rest of the advice I'm about to give you. Number 2, the Connecticut says that 0.08 is our limit for alcohol content in driving in Connecticut. That means that if you are a male and you weigh approximately 160 pounds and you've had 4 drinks, you're already above the legal limit. If you're a female and you're 140 pounds, 3 drinks will put you at 0.10, which is 2 points above the legal limit. And keep in mind that, for instance, a beer, according to the Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services, is not a double IPA. It's a standard regular beer that you get in the grocery store, like a Budweiser. So drinks are open to interpretation. A 5-ounce glass of table wine is a drink, and that's a lot less than most people pour for themselves or what they even get in restaurants. Number 3, Connecticut is an implied consent advisory state. When you drive in Connecticut, you impliedly consent to testing. So you can't avoid the DWI simply by saying no to testing. You've got to submit, so don't think that you can avoid it by saying no. Number 4, when you are stopped, the officers are going to ask you, have you been drinking? If your response is yes, you are going to be removed from your vehicle for field sobriety testing. Guide yourself accordingly. 5, please be aware about the combination or what happens between prescription drugs and alcohol. A lot of folks have to take certain drugs, prescription drugs for anxiety, for depression. It's very, very important. But the combination can be extremely dangerous and can affect your behavior and your judgment. Okay, there's a number 6, there's a bonus. And this is about marijuana. The statute, DWI statute in Connecticut, is driving while under the influence of alcohol or drugs or both. And if you're smoking marijuana and you drive, even though there isn't a breath test for that, a field sobriety test can still get you arrested for driving under the influence of marijuana. Listen, if you follow my advice and you follow these tips, you won't need to come to our firm, the Maddox Law Firm. If you do, if you are charged with DWI, we have been doing this work for 27 years. We are equipped, we have the staffing, we know how to manage these cases. If it happens to you, call the Maddox Law Firm and we will protect, advocate, and defend.